Alright, we're going to do the volumetric test. He's going to do 2 equal layers with the 12-inch tamping rod, 25 times up and down spiral motion, 10 to 15 times with the rubber mallet in between.
Alright, let's say 2 minutes are out, right? And take a reading. What is it?
It's
Use the bar, the strike bar.
The allowable is then what happens?
Just getting all the excess concrete off.
Remember,
He's going to keep going back and forth, screening it off until you get a smooth surface. You can't have a porous surface because you'll be putting water in here. It's going to compromise the test.
but then the allowable.
Once he's got a nice smooth surface, he's going to get a sponge. He's going to clean off all the excess.
Right, so right now we're at 325, right? Yeah. Keeps it up. You said 325, right? Yeah. 4, now we're at 3. Keep waiting. That's weird.
Once the top is clean, the sides are clean, he's going to take the top, he's going to place it on, use the latches on each side, and he's going to continue to he's going to add the funnel in. We're going to be pouring a pint of water to start with, and then we're going to continue pouring water until we see the water rise into the meter, into the clear meter. We're also going to be adding half a pint of alcohol after the initial pint of water. Oh shit, I took a bath, huh?
Yeah. Drop again?
Yeah, drop to 4.5.
So that's probably what happened. See how we didn't use the funnel?
Yeah.
That's probably what's going on.
And so we need some more water.
Alright. For test purposes or practice purposes, you're just gonna continue. Alright, so let's say what's your area?
It's at 5% now.
Okay, let's say our initial reading is 5. Yeah. What do you do now?
Okay, so Kevin's got water. He's going to continue filling it with water until we get to 0. On the meniscus. Now he's going to close the top. He's going to use the pump first, the hand pump, to dial it in right up to 0. Now we have to invert it 5 seconds at a time. for 45 seconds total, so it'll be 9 sets of 5 seconds. Hold it under the handles. It's easier. I didn't get you.
So let's get one of the.
All right, now we're going to put it down. We're going to roll it for 1 minute on a 45-degree angle between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, and then we're going to do that, on 3 sides. So we'll do it for like 20 seconds each. Now he's going to open it up, and we're going to wait 2 minutes, 2 to 6 minutes to take our initial reading. We're going to wait for the water level to equalize. And once the water level is equalized, we're going to check to see that the foam level does not exceed 2%. If it does not exceed 2%, we can continue to the next roll. If it does exceed 2%, the test is invalid. So I'll pause it now and we'll come back in 2 minutes.
You have to know that you have to wait 2 minutes.
We're practicing the way we're supposed to.
Yes, yes.
So we're back. It's been a couple minutes now. He's going to get his initial reading. We're going to check the level of the foam. And
First we're checking the foam, and it's about 1.5%, which is under 2, so it's fine.
we go from the top down. So we're measuring from the top down.
So it looks like 2.45.
So that's over 2%.
But that's the water level. The foam level, the foam is
The foam is
1.5.
over 2%.
No, it's under. It's 1.5. You see where it starts?
This is the water level here.
Yeah, yeah. But this is where it starts, and then this is where it ends. It's like 1.5%.
Oh, it looks like it starts all the way up there.
Nah.
All right, so we got 1.5% for the foam. Sorry about that. 1.5% for the foam.
And
so,
the water level is at 2.45.
all right,
Just about.
2.45. So now we're going to do another roll for 1 minute. Another 1 minute roll. 12 minute roll.
You're putting time for it?
All right, so now we're gonna wait. We're gonna pretend to wait. We're not really gonna wait right now. Just for demonstration purposes, we would have waited another 2 to 6 minutes for the water level to equalize. We wouldn't have paid attention to the foam. Now, Kevin, we were at 2.45.
It's about the same.
It's still the same. So now this is valid. If it wasn't the same,
If it was more than 0.25% change, then we have to conduct a third rolling.
yes. But right now it's the same. So it didn't change. So we can accept this test and we can discard it, and then we can see if the test is going to pass. So to discard the test, we have to bring it to the dumping station, put it in on the top of the sieve. We're going to cover the top and open up the latches one at a time. And we're going to gently tilt the top so the water can start discharging. Get the excess water off. And then we're going to dump the sample on a 45-degree angle, just going back and forth. And then if anything's left inside, the test is not valid.
Test is not valid.
That might be.
Is this valid?
Yes.
It's valid.
Okay. It is
Kevin's
valid.
test is valid. Congratulations, the first valid test of material.